Hey GoodNotes users, want to use this app like a pro? I've got some easy tips that make it better. First, the lasso tool. Look up for a dotted circle. Draw around your writing. You can move it, make it bigger, or change the color. I fix messy notes with this all the time. Next, templates. They are great. Add a new page, tap the 3 points, and choose Change Template. You get lines, dots, or planners. I like dots for quick ideas. Better trick? Get free templates online, drag them into GoodNotes, and use them always. Last one, hyperlinks. Right, go to page 3 with the text tool. Then tap it again, pick Add Link. Click on Link Settings and make sure that it looks like this. When you click on it, it should bring you to the selected site. And that's it. GoodNotes like a pro. Sorry if my pronunciations are bad. I'm making these videos to get better at it. Hope you like the tips. Please subscribe for more.